Revolutionary Disco Fridge hits market. Bluetooth, ice balls, and longer-lasting food. The latest innovation in kitchen tech is here with the new Disco Fridge, a game-changing appliance that combines fun and functionality. This fridge comes packed with a built-in Bluetooth speaker to set the vibe and an ice ball maker for those perfect cocktails. But the real magic? Its advanced preservation technology promises to keep your food fresh for longer, making it as practical as it is stylish. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool updates on home innovations.